a cradle of civilizations. If the earth were a single state, Istanbul would be its capital. Napoleon Bonaparte. Turkey, a country of inventiveness, lived to discover and learned through discovery. The cradle of civilizations and empires, a fusion of Europe and Asia, a meeting point of cultures. Turkey, a country taking its heritage of civilization from a past spanning thousands of years, merging its culture of compassion from the Anatolian grounds and blending until today. Turkey, the only country to harbor the riches of Eastern and Western civilizations, where different cultures and religions live together at peace. Turkey, a tourism and resort paradise, experiencing all four seasons with three sides of its borders surrounded by water. Turkey, a youthful and daring country, learning at a great pace and quickly adopting world innovations. Turkey, a country well fit to carry out solutions for today's world, using its in-depth Anatolian historical and cultural heritage. An invitation to accrued knowledge and skills. And Turkey, young, well-educated, taking its strength from its glorious past to become the world's most important textile and apparel manufacturer. Why do we stand tall? We're strong based on our extensive production experience, high capacity, and quality standards. With our qualified and well-trained workforce, design capabilities, advanced sub-industries, sectoral training institutions, logistical and financial infrastructure, factories equipped with state-of-the-art technology, and as a country specialized in each field from cotton to yarn, from fabric to apparel, we remain strong. We are solution-oriented and collaborative. Our productive and forceful sector focuses and takes actions on all customers' demands, first and foremost before the customer itself. We're always a step ahead with authentic perspectives. With digital transformation, we hold a sector that has kept up with today's contemporary communication and production systems. And now, we tell the world, in a country with heightened abilities to enter into the new markets where high-quality production meets extensive experience, where there are numerous advantages specialized in the fields of fashion and ready-to-wear, it is in fact possible to build a more qualified and sustainable production model during a time where our global resources are rapidly decreasing. We're working in full swing for a more habitable world. Join us and be a part of this transformation. Let's make the change together.